Well, we are down to the final moments of what has been a hugely volatile day. 550 points from the lows to the highs, with several huge swings in between. Look at that last gash, that big V in the last 30 minutes of trade. It's really everything happening. So let's start, recapping what the final tally is looking like. The Nifty is managing, after this whole swinging business, is managing a 230-point gain. The leaders include Trent. Trent is a very, very smart. Late rally on Trent, by the way. This move has happened in the last half an hour. And it's taken it to pole position on the Nifty, 3.5% up on Trent. Titan is also keeping it good company. TCS is also up and about. So the Tata Group is really shining bright this afternoon. Infosys, about 2.5% on the upside. Wipro was the other tech name, Tech Mahindra. So basically, most of IT has done really well. Dr. Reddy's, ICICI Bank, these are some of the other winners. Hindalco, M&M, and Lever. The Bank Nifty is up about 0.6%. It's underperformed the Nifty slightly today. But lots of big names. I mean, there's Kotak Mahindra Bank. Let's look at SBI. SBI is 0.5% up, and HDFC Bank is about 0.25% on the upside. So those are the winners on the Nifty.
BSE 14% higher, CDSL 8% higher, capital market plays in full action. Angel up 3.5%. Then you had gains in the form of Bajaj Housing Finance 6% up, Sagility. Tech platform names like Zomato, Swiggy continue to gain ground. Granules saw a recovery today, 4.5% higher. But on the way down, so largely there was more green than red, but the advanced decline ratio was just marginally in favor of the gaining side. On the way down, you had Graphite India, which sold off very sharply after yesterday's up move.
A few names which have been sort of, kind of dead for a while. Bajaj Housing Finance should come up on your screen. That had a sharp move higher today, and Credit Access, of course, that was up about 6% as well. These are, from the respective areas, Housing Finance and MFI, some of the higher, better quality names that we really saw coming in. Lots of other sort of movers as well. Actually, bulk of the movers is of course, capital market plays are different, but all kind of industrials, manufacturing, those kind of names. Old economy maybe. IGL, Castrol, Maharashtra Seamless. There were gains in Skipper. Afcons was sharply higher. Phenolix Cables, PCBL. It was all old economy, manufacturing, industrials kind of names. IMFA. These are some of the big volume-led gains that we had through the course of the day. So, a pretty wild day with lots of moves. You total all of that up. I think you'd be easily in 4-digit kind of moves on the Nifty itself, and that's the day. But a good close nevertheless. We end at about 24,700 or so. The adjusted close, I think that is the adjusted close, so 24,708 or so on the index. Well, it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. Goodbye, but markets forward will pick up on all the action on the other side. Surabhi and Nigel take you through that. Stay with us.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.